Last episode, I introduced you to my $400 Ford Fiesta. Well, we took off the front bumper, we cut off the crash bar and replaced it with a new one, and we found almost 1,000 stickers. Now that don't seem like a lot, but if you watched the last video, you know it was a hassle. So nonetheless, let's go ahead and continue this journey of flipping this $400 Fiesta. All right, let's see if it cranks. Where are the keys? Yep, nothing. After running some more tests, it looks like we have a starter issue. So I got up under the car to start the job. First thing I did was take off 2 bolts that's holding on the radiator, just so I can have a little bit more room getting my arm up there. Once you get into space, it's 3 long bolts you need to take out to drop the starter. But unfortunately, you need to take off the coolant lines. And if you're smarter than me, you need a catch can because it most definitely gets messy. And hopefully you got some eye protection on as well. This is the starter I took off. Doesn't look too bad, but as you can see on the solenoid part, it's in pretty good condition. This is the used one I bought, and it came with the wires that they didn't want to cut off. So I took it off, but upon taking it off right here, this part broke off. So we're back to the store to get a new starter, hopefully in better condition. Now we got 2, so hopefully we get a good deal. But let me show you what I'm talking about. This piece is that silver piece right there. That's supposed to be right there. After getting apart, I got straight to it. Now surprisingly, it was way harder to put it in compared to taking it out. So I got a second pair of hands. But nonetheless, we got the job done. Now it's time to see if this bad baby's going to start for the very first time.
Okay, ready?
Yep. Got it. Got some good smoke. Yeah, smoking though for sure. Ooh, shit. It's hot. So as you can see, we finally got the Fiesta to start, but there's always trouble in paradise. Right now, I'm ordering a new AC compressor because the current AC compressor is bad, which is causing the serpentine belt to burn and smoke. So while we waiting on that, we need to continue fixing up this $400 car, and the next thing we need to tackle is the headlights. So after fixing the headlights, I want to make sure everything else was in place, starting with the radiator. Go ahead and make sure the radiator was secure with the 2 bolts. After that, I went ahead and ran the wires, making sure all the connections was good to go with the sensors. After that, well, the last step for me was going ahead and making sure the hood latch was complete and set in place. You look so good, it hurts my soul. Now we have to do the AC compressor. So pretty much it's broken and we need to put the new one on. So as you can see, we outside working with it again as usual. We have to get this tire off so we can get into the wheel well and, you know, get to work. So let's do it. So right here, I'm just taking off a tire. It's super easy as you can see, but I just want to let you guys know you always can go on my channel and check out how-to videos. So if you have any questions or you're wondering how to do a simple repair on your own car, just go to the channel and check out the playlist on how-to car repairs. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, stay tuned for the next video. And if you haven't seen the 400 to a McLaren series, click this playlist so you can watch it, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh.